The Fujifilm X70 is 5G lens APS-C compact camera with a 16.3 MP turn sensor and a 18.5 mm, 28 mm field of view equivalent, f2.8 Fujinon lens. It shares many design elements and some specifications with Fujifilm's popular X100 series, but omits their hybrid optical electronic viewfinder or indeed any kind of built-in viewfinder at all. Instead, the X70's user interface employs a Fujifilm first, a touch screen, and a tilting one, at that. What the X70 does share with the X100 lineup is a metal chassis adorned with dials upon dials, putting camera settings exactly where you left them every time. It's a setup that any vintage camera user can appreciate, but one that still makes sense in the digital age. It also represents a completely different approach to this camera's closest competitor, the venerable Ricoh GR2. Let's see what else the X70 brings to the market. Fujifilm X70 features 16.3 MP Trin CMOS 2 APS-C sensor fixed Fujinon 28mm equiv. f2.8 lens 77-point hybrid autofocus system, 49 PDAF plus EDAF points, plus 28 CDAF, 3 tilting 1.04 touchscreen looked abundant physical controls, including shutter speed, aperture and exposure compensation, all metal build, both mechanical, leaf, and electronic shutter, digital, 35mm and 50mm teleconverter with upscaling to full resolution Wi-Fi. The 5G lens 28mm camera segment already has quite a few current and defunct members, including the Nikon Coolpix A, Ricoh GR2, Sigma DP1Q and Leica Q. Still, the Fuji has plenty going for it. Of these cameras, the closest competitor is definitely the Ricoh GR2. Let's take a look at its specs against the X70. The X70 and GR2 offer very similar feature sets. Both use 16 MP APS-C sensors, but the GR is able to beat out the Fujifilm in both size and mass, although that doesn't suddenly make the Fujifilm big. In fact, they're almost the same size. So is the X70 a travel camera, a landscaper's lightweight companion, a street shooter's delight. Come with us to look deeper into the X70 and to find out just how it fits in, and stands out, in this corner of the market. We put the 2 in parentheses because the main hardware differentiation between the 3-year-old Ricoh GR and last year's GR2 is the addition of Wi-Fi. The lens, AF, and sensor all remain the same.